Ho, 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 Vikings. I'm Drake.
And I'm Mady. And welcome back to the last broadcast of 2023. Today's broadcast is going to be a little different. All the segments will be related to Christmas.
Sit down, grab a hot chocolate, and enjoy the show.
Hi, Vikings. It's Mady. This week we're going around asking students to finish the lyric to Christmas songs. Let's go. Okay, you're going to finish the lyric, okay? But you have to sing it.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I have to find a good part.
Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Oh, that was actually good. Are you ready?
Kind of, yeah.
Better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you.
I don't even know this song. This will be good for you.
Please.
Evie.
Evie.
Okay. So like the elf on the shelf. Everyone, welcome back to this week's Viking in the Village. This is my elf on the shelf, Evie.
You when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when. Wait.
That was right. No, that was right.
Yeah.
There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow.
I have no idea.
What?
Do I have to finish the lyric?
Yeah.
Under the mistletoe.
No.
Flashback to when there was snow under the mistletoe.
Yeah. Do you remember when we did this last year?
I do remember when we did this last year and I didn't know it.
Good. Okay. Are you serious?
I don't know it.
Santa, tell me if you're really
Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
Hold on, I have to pick a really good song for you.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I thought that was it.
He knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake.
That was good. That Viking in the Village slayed.
Oh, I get it, like sleigh, like Santa's.
Okay, it's not funny anymore. Oh. Anyways, so I heard that there was a baking competition with some of our students.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Oi Vikings, I'm Judge Reens.
And I'm Judge Drake. Today we're at the Staub household for a Christmas baking challenge.
Let's go.
Today our contestants are going to be participating in a cake baking competition. Let's meet our teams.
We're Team Ride or Die. We're here to win. Yeah, we're making a Christmas tree cake.
It's gonna look like a Christmas tree. Ultimately, I just want to grow my connection with Cole.
We're Santa's little helpers.
We're here to dominate.
We're making a little bit of a hot chocolate cake today.
Dominate the competition. Get that. Wait.
This is the last one. We don't need 3 cakes.
Well, obviously.
You have 3.
Okay, so now just 2 more eggs.
Yeah.
Or how many eggs? Yeah, 2 more eggs.
If we're beefing, it means we're pushing ourselves to be better.
They claim to be each other's ride or dies. Does this scare you?
Not at all.
That's what I think about you guys.
You
just wasted an egg.
No, that's good. That same energy when we win. We'll serve, never hurt nobody.
Well, you know what that makes?
We
might need an actual like spatula.
We're not gonna do that.
I'm not copying at all.
All right, so we got a challenge here. We're gonna play some Chubby Bunny with the contestants. The winner gets to sabotage.
I'm not chewing. I'm rearranging. Okay, that's good. No. Okay, that's good.
Team Ride or Die with an early start. Cakes are in the oven, and Santa's little helpers are still making batter.
Oh, that was disgusting. What do we do with that one? Did we not put the right stuff?
No, it's...
Oh, yeah. That's about a half.
Both teams' cakes are now in the oven.
It's not gonna just go straight through. They're meant for the oven.
Christmas tree cake. As you can see, it's a tree.
A cocoa mug.
You got chocolate running down the side, you got the marshmallows, you got the chocolate, you got the handle, you got the peppermint, you got everything.
We have Santa's Little Helpers, and on the right, we have Ride or Die. And ultimately, our winners today were Santa's Little Helpers. Wow, those cakes sure were something.
Yeah, yikes.
Hey, what's your favorite candy cane?
Strawberry?
Welcome back to Viking in the Village. I'm Santa, and today we're going to see if people know candy cane flavors. Your favorite Christmas movie?
Probably Elf.
No. Pick a flavor.
Raspberry, I don't know.
No. Not blue raspberry, but blue.
Berry.
Matt.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Christmas Vacation.
Okay, and your favorite Christmas song?
Ooh, I don't really do Christmas songs.
Why not?
I don't know, it's just one of those things.
Pick a candy cane.
Okay.
Now break it open and try to guess the flavor. Oh my god!
I don't know, maybe banana?
No!
Okay.
What's your favorite Christmas movie? Oh my gosh. You put me on the spot. What are Christmas movies? Okay, now open it and try it.
I can't open it. Just break it.
Like banana? No. I don't know what you're...
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Oh, there's too many to name.
Well, pick one.
I love A Christmas Story.
What's that?
Ralphie, the Red Ryder BB gun.
Name?
Akila Harper.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Elf.
Video me sucking it.
Do you think you could have named all those candy canes?
Yeah, probably not. I don't really like candy canes.
Anyways, have you seen Leah?
No, not in a while. Why?
She was gonna ask me some questions. Let's go find her.
Welcome back to Viking in the Village. I'm Alicia.
I'm Leah.
And I'm Faith, and we know how hectic the holidays can be.
So today, we're causing some Christmas chaos. Let's go!
Let's get this Christmas pump on.
I'm about to do jingle lifts.
You really are a hero.
Can you restate your favorite line from Home Alone?
Well, Home Alone. Kevin! Kevin!
What do you want for Christmas?
In real life or like fake life?
In real life, bro.
I want...
Bro, I can't say that. You want like a new slim cap?
Yeah, I'll take the...
Do you want a new Speedo?
Yeah, I'll take a new Speedo for Christmas.
Have you ever decked the halls with boughs of holly?
No. No. No, I have not.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day, bro. That Disney Channel.
Out of everybody in this lunchroom, who would you kiss under the mistletoe?
Probably Arian.
Let's go talk to her. Come on.
I have a question. Would you kiss me under the mistletoe?
Probably.
I bet that.
If Santa didn't have a sleigh, how would he deliver all of his presents?
Either a car or he could like ride one of his reindeers.
Okay.
I have a really serious question.
Okay.
Can I have your number and give you a jingle later?
No.
The mistletoe with you.
If anyone cares, can you name all of Santa's reindeer?
Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzen, and Rudolph. Don't you know that with his bright red nose he led the way?
Don't you know?
With his bright red nose he led the way.
I'm falling in love with you, Rings.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay. All I want for Christmas is you.
Welp, That's a wrap. Get it?
Buddy.
Buddy, I'm Santa.
And I'm Mady. Stay warm and happy holidays.